We've had several questions about using float switches at low voltage DC. So here we've created a circuit where we have 9 volts DC onto the circuit. It's coming over here onto a breadboard where I have a float switch wired into here, and it's just brokering power to a small horn, much like what's in a lot of high level alarms. And then here on this amp meter, when we activate the float switch, you'll be able to see the current. So if you saw that, the current went up to about 16.24 milliamps, which is far below the 200 milliamp specification that many suppliers have for a replacement float switch.